everyone, this is Sarah from the blog Candle in the Kitchen. Welcome to my channel where I'll be showing you how even the most beginner cooks can start making food from scratch for their family. Today we'll be making together homemade honey granola with almonds and pecan nuts. You'll see it's a really simple recipe. It comes together in just 10 minutes, you bake it for 30 minutes, and you have homemade granola for the whole week. You can serve it with yoghurt, with fresh fruit, dried fruit, extra nuts and seeds if you wish, and you have a protein-packed breakfast for the whole family. To make homemade honey granola with almonds and pecan nuts, you first need to add all of the dry ingredients to a bowl. So here you can see me adding 280 grams of oats, 75 grams of whole almonds, 75 grams of whole pecan nuts, 2 tablespoons of sunflower seeds, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You will then need to add all of the wet ingredients, so 4 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and it's best to melt those 2 ingredients slightly, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You should then mix the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients together so that all of the dry ingredients are well coated by the wet ingredients. Here you can see me using a Danish hook, but you can also use a wooden spoon. Once all of the ingredients are well mixed together, spread them out onto a baking sheet lined with baking parchment. Bake in the oven at 150 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. The granola is cooked when it is golden brown all over. Leave it to completely cool on the baking sheet and then break it up, as I'm doing here. It's useful to have the baking parchment to do this with. Break it up into small pieces and you'll be able to transfer it easily to a jar. You will get a bit everywhere like I do, but that's fine. If you've got a clean work surface, you can just pop it back in the jar. And that's it, homemade honey granola with almonds and pecan nuts. It's amazing served with homemade Greek yogurts, fresh fruit or dried fruit, however you like really, but it just is a perfect way to start the day. So thanks for dropping by, and if you would like some more simple homemade recipes from scratch, allergy-friendly meal ideas and lots of sourdough, go ahead and hit the subscribe button.